Tired of drab curtains? Custom window treatments cost a fortune. Now create designer looks at a fraction of the cost with Deco Wrap, the original no-sew cornice. Go from boring to beautiful, bland to bold with Deco Wrap. It's easy. Just wrap, tuck, hang, you're done with no sewing. Add accents, panels, and more. Any style, any fabric, any room. Change your mind, change your fabric, even change with the seasons. There's no complicated hardware. Just screw in and push on to install. Anyone can do it. Cut or glue together to fit any window. Less than 1 yard of fabric needed. Just wrap, tuck, hang, you're done. You get one 40-inch no-sew cornice and style guide for $29.95. But wait, order now and get a second Deco Wrap free. Decorate 2 windows or 1 large window or patio door for only $29.95. And say you did it yourself with Deco Wrap, the original no-sew cornice. Visit mydecorwrap.com and order now.